The bedroom is one of the most important spaces in your home. It is not just a place for rest but also a sanctuary where you rejuvenate your mind, body, and soul. According to Vastu Shastra, Feng Shui, and Vedic astrology, the energy in your bedroom has a direct impact on your overall well-being, relationships, and mental peace. Have you ever felt restless, had trouble sleeping, or experienced a string of bad luck without knowing why? Believe it or not, your bedroom, the place meant for rest and relaxation, might be unknowingly attracting negative energy into your life. Certain objects, placements, and habits can disturb the balance of your space, leading to bad luck, stress, and even relationship issues. From mirrors to clutter under your mattress, there are some surprising things that could be affecting your well-being and fortune. But don't worry. In this video, we are going to reveal the most common bedroom mistakes that bring bad luck and show you simple fixes to restore harmony and positive energy in your personal space. So, if you want to create a bedroom filled with peace, good vibes, and prosperity, stay with us until the end. Governing planets and deities of the bedroom. In Vedic astrology, the bedroom is closely associated with Venus, the planet of love, comfort, and luxury. Venus governs the quality of your relationships, physical intimacy, and overall comfort in life. To align with the energy of Venus, your bedroom should be inviting, clean, and well organized, with soothing lighting and a pleasant fragrance. The governing deity of the bedroom is Devi Lakshmi, the goddess of wealth and abundance, symbolizing prosperity and harmony. Keeping the bedroom clutter-free and organized is considered a sign of respect for her presence, inviting blessings into your life. Avoid dirty clothes in the bedroom. Leaving dirty clothes in your bedroom can significantly disrupt the flow of positive energy. In both Vastu Shastra and Feng Shui, dirty clothes are believed to hold stagnant energy, which can attract or trap negative vibrations. This stagnant energy creates an atmosphere of heaviness and hinders the room's ability to rejuvenate you. To maintain a harmonious environment, make it a habit to remove dirty laundry from the bedroom daily and place it in a designated laundry area. Change bed sheets regularly. Bed sheets, like clothes, absorb energy from the environment and from you as you sleep. Changing your bed sheets at least twice a week ensures that the bedroom maintains a fresh and uplifting atmosphere. Opt for soft, natural fabrics like cotton or linen in soothing colors such as white, light blue, or pastel shades. These colors enhance calmness and serenity while promoting restful sleep. Avoid bright, harsh colors in the bedroom, as they may create restlessness or overstimulate your senses. Add jasmine plants for positive energy. Placing a jasmine plant in your bedroom is a simple yet powerful way to uplift positive energy. Jasmine not only purifies the air but is also known for its calming fragrance, which helps reduce stress and anxiety. According to Feng Shui, jasmine enhances harmony in relationships and creates a soothing ambience. Ensure the plant is healthy and vibrant, as neglected or dying plants can have the opposite effect and may bring negativity into the space. Position the bed with the headboard against the south or west wall. Sleeping with your head towards the south ensures a peaceful and restful sleep, as it aligns with the Earth's magnetic field. Avoid placing the bed directly in line with the door, as it can create a feeling of instability. Watch our previous videos to learn more about bedroom placements and Vastu importance. The video links are provided in the description box. Keep the area under your bed clean and free of clutter. According to Vastu, stored items under the bed can interfere with the free flow of energy, leading to disturbed sleep and mental stress. Avoid placing mirrors directly facing the bed. In Feng Shui, mirrors reflect energy, and if they face your bed, they can disturb your sleep and create restlessness. If mirrors are unavoidable, cover them with a cloth at night. If you want to learn more about mirror placement in the house and bedroom, please watch our previous videos. The video links are provided in the description box. Use soft and warm lighting to create a cozy atmosphere. Avoid harsh, fluorescent lights in the bedroom as they disrupt relaxation. Dim lighting or the use of lamps with warm tones enhances the energy of Venus, promoting love and tranquility. Incorporate natural and soft colors into your bedroom decor, such as beige, cream, or pastel shades. These colors exude a sense of calmness. Add artwork or objects that symbolize love, such as paired items or harmonious imagery, to support healthy relationships. Use essential oils like lavender, jasmine, or sandalwood to keep the air fragrant and inviting. Aromatherapy is an effective way to uplift the room's energy while calming your mind. Limit the use of electronic devices in the bedroom. Gadgets emit electromagnetic radiation, which can disturb the room's energy and your sleep quality. If possible, remove televisions and workstations from the bedroom entirely. Your bedroom is a personal retreat where energy should flow smoothly and positively. By paying attention to cleanliness, aligning your bedroom with the principles of Vastu, Feng Shui, and astrology, you can create a space that nourishes your well-being. Remember that even small changes, like removing dirty clothes and refreshing your bedsheets, can have a profound impact on the energy of your space and, consequently, your life.
That is all for today. If you like the video, please hit like button and subscribe to our channel and hit bell icon and share this video with your friends. Stay healthy, stay fit. God bless you.